This is the unboxing of HP OminiBook 3 laptop. So let's open the cover. It says OminiBook. That's the bottom. Here we can see some details like CPU is here. I think this is for the speaker, the two sides. So finish quality is good. It's not that bad. It's really attractive. It says OminiBook 3 on this corner, Intel graphics, Intel Core 3. On the top we have the option like we can switch on and switch off the camera. We can just block it from there. That's the screen with HP logo. This is the keypad. Trackpad is here. So that looks nice too. It's plain. This finish is really good. So we have USB port here with headphone jack. So power cable will go maybe on this side. So here we have the another USB cable, USB-C and HDMI. So let's charge it. It says maybe charging is going to be one of this port. Power light is on. Let's check the screen. Select the language for the setup. Select your country. Click yes with the keyboard, or you can select the one you want. If you want to add anything, you can do that. Click on the skip. So I just heard the fan came on and now it has gone off. Connect automatically, connect. So let's connect with the Wi-Fi. Connected. Go next. Straightway it has started to check the updates. That's the terms and conditions. Accept it. You can give a name to your device and then click next. So basically it's a good laptop. The only thing is the fan is coming on and off quite a lot whenever I'm just doing anything, and it's taking a little bit extra time. So that's normal for this size of laptop and specs. That is the unboxing and setup. Thanks for watching.